Okay, so again, number 1, we changed to 9 times 7 and got B. But on this one, we're going to change 11.2 to 11, 1.73 to 2. And so your answer should have been 22. Okay, Kevin bought 4.6 pounds of pecans for $50.89. About, most of you saw that keyword there. How much was the cost per pound? So, what's easier than 50.89? 50. And 4.6 we should change into 5. So 50 divided by 5 is 10, which is C. Mrs. Garcia bought 9.1 yards of fabric for $18.79. About how much was the cost per yard? So what did you guys change $18.79 into? 18, and then you probably changed that to 9, right? And you got 2. How many, guys, listen. I'm recording this, and this is going to go onto YouTube, and sometimes your parents listen to this. And they can pick out your voice. Okay. Be quiet. How many of you changed this into 20 and this one into 10? Do you still get the same thing? Yes. Okay, so we want to see how far he traveled in an hour. To do that, we're going to multiply.
2.4 hours.
So we have 2.4 times 0.01, which we get 24, right? But there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is A. Okay, number 6. You should have had 108 times 5. How many people switched it around to put 108 on top? 8 times 5 is 40. 4, 5. So you got 540, which is I. So you took 3.6 times 4.2. You got a 12, a 7, 0, 24, 14. Now I'm going to add them together. 2. Stop talking. 11, 5, 1. Now there's 1, 2, 1, 2. So your answer is 15.12. Number 8 says, what is the value of 7.24 times 0.6? So I'm going to come over here to do that. Let me zoom out a little bit. So we have number 8, 7.24 times 0.6. So I was going to multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. 12, 13, 14. 42, 43. Where am I going to put my decimal?
3 places to the left.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So your answer then is
1.3.
G? Oh, I didn't put your answer there either. Let's see. Okay, number 9. The dance committee has 1,120 flowers that they want to divide. So what are we going to do here? Divide. Evenly among 32 centerpieces. So, number 9. We're going to take 32 on the outside, and on the inside we have 1, 1, 2, 0. And I know that 32 cannot go into 1 or 11, but it's going to go to 112.
3. That'd be 96. 5?
I think probably just 3.
Yeah, it is.
Because if we do 3 times 4, we get 12. So, that's be 3. Oh, we get a, 6 here. Over here, we get a 16. Bring it down. What should we multiply that by?
5.
Well, it goes in evenly. So we get 35, which is letter D. Stop making that noise. The student council sold 286 rolls of wrapping paper for a fundraiser. If they raised $3,146, what's the cost of 1 roll of wrapping paper? So what are we going to do here? Divide. Our outside number is going to be 286. Our inside number is going to be 3,146. And then we're going to be happy because 286 can go into 314 one time, right? How many people got happy when they saw that? It's the little things in life that makes math teachers happy. Yes. Oh, look.
Oh my gosh.
Easier than you thought it was going to be, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So our answer is G. Okay, number 11. We haven't done a problem like this before. But that's okay. What is the next term in the pattern below? So, how do I get from, what are we going to subtract here?
1.1.
1.1. So 6.7 minus 1.1, we get a 5.6.
It's actually just common sense.
Because it kind of counts down, doesn't it, too? 8, 9, 7, 8, 6, 7. Okay, flipping it over. What is the value of 56.99 times 0.01? 56.99 times 0.01. It's actually not going to be very difficult because you're only multiplying by 1. So we have 9, 9, 6, 5. How many decimal places are we going to have down here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is I. Now we're going into quotients. What does that mean we're going to do? Divide. So number 13. I'd be appreciative if you wouldn't talk right now. This one has a whole number and a decimal. 4 is on the outside. And 12.8 is on the inside. What are we going to do with our decimal? Move it up. 4 goes into 12.
3 times.
Because that's 12. Bring down our 8. And 4 goes into 8
2 times.
twice. So our answer is, which is letter B. Your test will be very similar to this tomorrow, except it will not be the same question.
Well, there might be like
Well, they'll be like similar, but they won't be the exact same like your last one. This one, we have 667 divided by 23. How many times do you think 23 can go into 66?
twice.
Because that is,
46.
and we get 20. Drop down our 7. What do you think we should multiply by?
9.
9.
Wait, no, not
3
9.
times 9 is 27. 18, 19, 20. You're right with the 9.
Whoa.
Well, we knew how to be a whole number answer because of right here, right? And it's either going to be a 9 or an 8 because those are the only ones with the 2 in front. So our answer is letter H. 1 meter is approximately equal to 39.39 inches. About, what does that mean we're going to do? How many inches are in 5 meters? So instead of 39.39, what should we change that to?
50.
40. And we're going to take,
40 divided by 9.
I would say we're going to have to multiply it because those are big numbers.
Okay. Change it to 40.
So we changed 39.39 into 40 because it said about. And we're leaving 5 as 5. So 40 times 5 is 200, which is letter D. Uh-oh, I'm running out of space. Good thing I have another paper. I don't want to go on the back because I wrote in the marker, so it kind of bleeds through. What is the value of the expression 75.42 divided by 0.1? What's up with them just doing 0.1s?
They haven't doing 0.01.
But it's just ones. Those are too easy for you guys. So 75.42. How many times are we going to move our decimal?
The right ones.
Good. 1, 1. And is it okay if I don't do any work under here?
Yeah.
Because it's going to be 7, 5, 4, 2, right?
So 705.
Which is letter F. 754.2. Because 1 goes into 7, 7 times. 1 goes into 5, 5 times. 1 goes into 4, 4 times. And 1 goes into 2, 2 times. The only thing we did is move the decimal. Wasn't it? Word problem. The 6th grade class is going to the local art museum's dinosaur exhibit. There are 52 students in the class. The total cost of the tickets for all the students is $364. What is the cost of one student ticket? Multiply, divide, what? Divide. 52 on the outside, right? 364 over here. And we are not lucky enough that it goes into the first two, so we have to go to the third number. What should I multiply 52 by?
5.
7. 2 times 7 is?
14.
That's a good start because it's ending in a 4. 35, 36.
Yay.
They're not even making you annex any zeros. That's good. Okay, so our answer is B. Number 18. Wesley bought one t-shirt for $7.90 and another t-shirt for $12.40. What is the total amount? So what are we going to do? Add. They're asking for the total amount. Okay, so I have 7.90, and what am I going to add? And I need to make sure my decimals are lined up. To double check that, I'm going to draw my arrow down and go ahead and put it down there. If you're drawing through a number, that means you didn't line your decimals up. 0. 9 plus 4 is? 7 plus 2 plus 1? 1 plus 1? So, how much did he spend? 20.30. So, F. Number 19. A city had 9.2 inches of rain in April and 4.3 inches of rain in May. What is the difference in rainfall between the 2 months? What are we going to do? 9.2 minus 4.3. My decimals are lined up. Borrow. 12 minus 3 is? 9. 8 minus 4 is? 4. So our answer is? Which is letter B. And our last question. Johanna had a board that was 54 inches long. She cut off 22.5 inches for a project. How many inches of the board remain? What are we going to do? Subtract. So 54. Oh no, there's not a decimal. I add the decimal at the end. How many zeros should I annex?
1.
And I'm going to subtract 22.5. Now I'm going to have to borrow, aren't I? So 3. Oh, my decimals are lined up. Forgot that. We have a 5. Why did I borrow? I'm crazy. No, I don't. Not there. I was being 31.5, which is letter G. Okay, these problems are going to be similar to what's on your test. So you not only have this, but you can also go onto YouTube and make sure you can follow along. All you have to do, because right now you have the answers on here, you can either cover the answers up and work on it by yourself at your own pace. You can go on YouTube and just stop and play the video, right? And work it out.